Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video we will learn that how we can create a brand store website for free with WordPress and Elementor. In this you can sell clothes, shoes and other accessories, and yes, it's totally free. And we are gonna create it with a theme named Astro. So let's begin. First of all, we will go to appearance, then themes, and here we will click add theme. Now we will search here Astro, and now you can see this is that Astro theme, and now you will click install, and now it is installing. Now it is installed, and now you will click activate. So here you can see here's a pop-up or a add type. So we will click start building now. So here our page is being opened. Now we will click let's get started, and you can enter your details or simply you can click skip. Now again skip, and here you will click build with templates. So from here we will select page builder. I will choose Elementor, and you should also choose Elementor because it is easy. So here we will click maybe later, and from here the first one, this is the first one design which we have to import, or if it is not the first one in yours, so you will simply search here brand store, and you can see here's that brand store. You will simply click it. Here's the option to upload site logo if you want, so you can upload here, and from here you can choose your text. Here you can look, and here you go. Now color palette, I will choose this one, second one. You can choose any, and now I am gonna click continue. And now free live chat, connect with your website visitors for free. I will don't check it if you want, so you can. Website emails and SMTP. Get emails from your website, forms, etc. You can check it or you can not. It's your choice. Or you can simply skip this step. And here tell us a little bit about yourself. In this form you will enter your name and then submit and build my website. Now here you can see the website is being building. Here you can see the loading. It is 7%. So let's meet when it will be 100%. And here you can see it is completed, and now you can view your website. Like I will click view your website, and here your website is being opening. Now you can see it. Here it is being opening and opening yet. The design which will come here like this design, this is by that built-in of that template. You can edit it from your admin panel like here, and here's the customer account button, and here's cart, contact us about accessories, men, women, everything, raining offers for hot summers, 25% off on all products, shop now or find more. Here you can add the links. Here once more cart, and here are some products, then featured products and everything else. From here you can edit it. Now it is the pages of cart abandonment. We have installed it with that brand store website, so now it is showing us its advertisement. So we will simply erase that link from the admin panel, and here we go. Now you can go to pages, post, media, and you can edit your website fully as you want. So it's enough for today. In today's video, we'll learn that how we can create a brand store website in which we can sell clothes, shoes, and other accessories for free. Thanks for today. Inshallah, we will meet in an upcoming video.